Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, thank you for checking out this video. In this video, I'm going to mainly focus on lip scrub. Now, as we all know, we are so much addicted to matte lips. I am totally addicted to matte lipstick. I'm so fond of them. I wear it almost every other day. I think I am short on bullet lipsticks now and cream lipsticks. I'm more into matte lipstick and I always search out a new matte lipstick that will suit me and my complexion. So we are into too much trend of wearing matte lipstick. So the side effect of wearing these matte lipstick is your lips will be hurt badly and they will become dry, flaky, and you will have to take extra care. So in this video I'm going to share two of the DIYs with you guys where you can create lip scrubs at home without being way too fancy, spending a lot of money. All these products I'm 100% sure would be sitting right in your kitchen. So definitely try it out, and I'll show you how step by step you can create it, and it takes so little time. So I've got two which I've created and you'll see it in the video right ahead. One is the lemon honey lip scrub which has a hint of lemon, so which makes it much more tempting and yummy, and the other one is a cinnamon with olive oil. So this will be so good for your lips because it actually makes your lip look fuller and beautiful and sexy. So I really love these two flavors, and I've kept it in these small cute pots. You'll find it on Amazon for like 200-300 rupees. You'll get 5 or 6 packages. So I really like it. I keep these in refrigerator, and let me tell you guys, you definitely have to make sure that you use lip scrub because when you get because when you try it initially you will feel a bit lazy and you feel there is no need, but actually when you get into habit of using lip scrub, this is so good for your lips. It removes all the dead layers. It makes your lip skin, which is very delicate, looks healthy. But make sure that you use it only once or maximum twice in a week. Don't go overboard with it, don't go with the flow. Take your time. Initially go just for one lip scrub in a week, and then later on, if you're okay with that, because these are like very basic homemade product that don't have any bad stuff, so they are actually good for you, but you know, extra of anything will not be good for you. So make sure you use it only once a week initially, and if you're okay and if you feel the need of going for a second round, then only go for a second round in the same week. Otherwise I'll suggest only go for once in a week. So you'll see the video right now and I'll be back in a minute. So guys, I'm gonna start by adding sugar. I'm gonna take 2.5 spoon of raw sugar. You can use any regular or the brown, it doesn't make any difference. So I'm gonna start with the sugar and gonna add 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Honey is really good in this scrub because it's gonna act as a moisturizer, as a base, and honey are usually very good alone for your lips, so that's very important in this scrub. I'm gonna add and mix a little bit of that. Now along with that, and this is how our product gonna look like, as you can see. Now in that mixture I'm gonna add the vanilla essence. You can use whatever essence you like. Vanilla is my preference, and it smells so good. Whenever I'm gonna open the scrub, it smells so good, and that's why I prefer vanilla all the time. This is my favorite. So I'll use 3 to 4 drops for one pot. That is enough for this mixture. And then I'm gonna use a very little bit of lemon juice in it. The lemon juice will just elevate the entire aroma of this scrub. It will smell so good and fresh, and that's why I prefer it more. So just few drops of lemon, and then you can remove the lemon seeds which accidentally came in. So you can remove that and then again mix it to create a good paste. So here I ended up adding more sugar in the paste because it became much more liquidy than my preference is. So I added it, and you can do the changes as per your liking guys. There is no actual method to do it. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you have only that, and then mix everything. Olive oil is so good because it is full of antioxidants which are so good for your lips, and this scrub is just wonderful in its own. So I really like it. Then That is all. You got to put this into a pot, save it in your refrigerator. You can use this paste for around 1 month or two, and then I'll create it again. So it's very simple, quite handy. There is no preservative or artificial thing added. So here you go, you have your first scrub. Now we are going to make our second scrub, which is the cinnamon paste. So this is the powder, cinnamon powder that you have to use. Don't use very much. This is like around half teaspoon, and then you're gonna add the same sugar that we have used. You can use almost 2 tablespoons of sugar and then mix this paste. I'm gonna again add honey because I am really huge fan of honey for lips. So I'm gonna do that and mix all this together, and then on this paste I'm going to mix everything really well because these are powders. They have to be very soft, and then I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, which is really amazing for your lips. And in this scrub, especially when cinnamon has a bit of tingling effect, the olive oil gonna make it calm down and help our lip to be hydrated and moisturized. So that's what I have, that's the reason I have added the olive oil. And then I'm going to use the raspberry essence. So initially I've used vanilla. This is just for change. If you like it, then use it. Skip it if you don't want to use it. Okay, it does not make any difference in the performance. The results will be same with or without the essence. This is just my personal preference because I have these essence at home. I use it straightforward. I'm going to mix everything, and this is how the paste will look like. It will look really smooth, and it's a brownie chocolatey sort of paste. And what you're gonna do is to mix everything beautifully so that it becomes smooth and easy to use. You can anyways add honey and olive oil if you want, or sugar as per your liking. I'm going to put everything in a pot as we did earlier, and we'll be ready with our second scrub in a minute. So this is how simple it is, guys, to create your own lip scrub. You don't need to buy it from outside, as you can see. And cinnamon is so good because it's sort of a natural lip you know uh, beautifier. It creates a fuller lip. So I really prefer this one sometimes, but don't use it very much, guys. And now you're ready with your second scrub. So as you guys have seen already how I create these two lip scrub, let me use the scrub a bit on my lip and I'll show you how to go ahead with it. Let me wipe it out. So make sure when you apply the lip scrub, your lips are all clean. There is nothing, no product over it. So I'll take off my lipstick. Okay. So I've cleaned my lips and removed the lipstick, guys, and now I'll use the lemon sugar one. So this is how it looks, and this one is the extra one. I cannot put it into the jar, so I'll use a little bit, tiniest amount, and then I'll scrub the lips. Honey will really help to hydrate your lips, and the sugar will give a little bit of exfoliation. Don't go overboard, just go a little slow. And as you can see, it could create a bit of mess, so you can use a cotton pad, a clean cotton pad, and use it like so. Now again, don't press very hard, guys. Go very slow with it. I want to use a little extra. Okay. Hmm. So as you can see, the lips are looking really healthy, and blood flow, because of the blood flow which goes during the scrub, lips will have this good red pink tint to it, which I really like. Because to be honest, who doesn't want beautiful pink lips, right? Everybody wants it. But important is, whatever be your lip shade is, even if it is pigmented, it should be healthy and clean. That's what I more stress on. Really enjoyed this one, especially the lemon one and cinnamon as well, because cinnamon actually create a tingling sensation on your lips and make it a little fuller, which we all are craving for, to be honest. So I really like it. Lips look much more cleaner, healthier, and they feel really soft. I really enjoy this feeling of clean, soft lips, and they have a bit of hint of redness because of the blood flow. They look really healthy. And now our job is not done here, guys. Post this scrub, make sure you use Vaseline or lip balm, anything which you prefer. I love the Bird Bees lip balm, and right now I'm using the flavor mango, which is so yum. This is the one I'm using right now, so I'll use a bit of this to make sure. So I've used a bit of lip balm, and as you can see, my lips look healthy. My lips look healthy and really clean, and I really enjoy this feeling. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have any other suggestions or DIY you want to see, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to create more because I really enjoy DIYs. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Bye bye.